To fix a Lenovo laptop that won't charge, start by power cycling the device. Remove the charger and battery. Hold the power button for 30 seconds to drain any residual power. Then reinsert the battery and connect the charger to see if it will charge. Next, check the power connection by plugging in another device or trying a different outlet to determine if the issue is with the outlet or the laptop. Rebooting the laptop by completely shutting it down and restarting it may also resolve the issue. Additionally, updating or reinstalling the battery drivers can be effective. Go to the Device Manager. Uninstall the Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery driver. Shut down the laptop, remove the battery, and then reinsert it after a few minutes, allowing the driver to reinstall automatically. Alternatively, update the battery drivers by searching for Device Manager in the Start menu. Expanding the battery section, right-clicking on each item, and selecting Update Driver. If the laptop has a reset hole, it is possible to reset the battery by disconnecting the AC power adapter. Pressing and holding the reset switch for 20 seconds using a pin. Waiting a few minutes, and then reconnecting the charger to check if the laptop charges. It is also important to check the power settings, as some Lenovo laptops have a feature that stops the battery from charging after reaching a certain percentage. Go to Settings, search for System, click on Power and Sleep, and then click on Additional Power Settings to ensure the power plan settings are appropriate and do not prevent charging. If none of these steps resolve the charging issue, it may be necessary to seek professional assistance.